students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I welcome you all to this fun phonics class. Do you know every letter has its own sound? So here, let's get started and let me introduce you all to
SATPIN.
let's get started. This letter is A. A. The sound is A. A. You need to drop your jaw. A. A. This letter is S. S. And the sound of this letter is like the sound of a snake hissing. S. S. This letter is T. And the sound of this letter is T. T. Not ta, not ta. It's T. 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 This letter is P. And the sound of this letter is P. P. Close your lip. P. This letter is I. I. And the sound of this letter is E. 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 You can say E. E. This letter is N. N. And the sound of this letter is N. 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 Nose.
You can try practicing these sounds at home. Thanks for watching.